Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy-centric channel. In this video, we will understand about the very start of the second trimester, that is the fourth month of the pregnancy, and primarily we will focus on the 14th week of the pregnancy, how much the baby develops inside the womb, what all organs have formed, how the baby start behaving, and what all changes pregnant women would see during this week. We will cover the problems and with few of the tips to resolve them. So let's get started. So let us start with the developments in the baby during the 14th week of the pregnancy. Your baby's ear that were initially down now starts shifting upwards. The chin of the baby would come at the right place. Baby's facial features will become more clear, and by this time the baby's neck starts getting longer. The baby's fingerprint starts developing. The baby's face start appearing more proportionate because the ear have developed and have come to the right place. Now the baby can hear to the sounds and respond to it. If you will flicker your fingers on your stomach, or if you will traverse your hand on your stomach, the baby can respond to it. Now by this time, that is the 14th week of the pregnancy, the baby is able to move inside the amniotic fluid very easily. In this week only, the production of the blood starts in baby's spleen. So the formation of the red blood cells, that is the RBC, starts developing inside baby's spleen. If we talk about the size of the baby, it is measured in CRL, that is crown rump length, and this is actually the length that is measured from the head to the bottommost part of the baby. So approximately it is around 3.5 inches, and if you objectify this length, this is approximately the size of a chili. So this was about the baby during the 14th week. Now let us understand what all changes a pregnant woman would see in 14th week of the pregnancy. That is the early start of the fourth month of the pregnancy. So by this time, as the baby is growing inside the womb, the uterus is expanding, your stomach is expanding, and you would feel the stretching in your lower part, and the muscles and the skin starts stretching. This is the time when you will feel more of the constipation, and this is all due to the hormones that are developing inside the body. These hormones have an effect of relaxing your intestines, and this will one of the cause of the constipation during 14th week of the pregnancy. If you are already facing the problem of constipation, or you normally have this problem of constipation, then this problem will aggrandize. Many pregnant women may report about the water coming from their mouth or the production of the excessive spit. So this is very common during the 14th week of the pregnancy. If you have these problems like constipation, then you can discuss it with your gynecologist. Now during this phase, the blood production and the flow would be very high, and due to this, you may start seeing the veins that are known as the spider veins. They are very small blood vessels in the lower part of your leg. So some pregnant women may see this spider veins on their face as well. And prominently this is seen when you have a very fair color, because your skin is thin. The blood vessels that are the spider veins start appearing on your face. So if you are noticing these small veins visible on your leg or on your face, there is nothing to worry about it. These are the pregnancy changes, and they are all reversible. That is, after the delivery, they will get cured automatically. Now let us understand few of the tips that will be helpful for you during the 14th week of the pregnancy. The constipation, the excessive watering from the mouth, the change in taste. These are the few common things or the changes you will notice in this tenure. So generally for these problems, it is always good to maintain a good water level inside your body. That is, you have to keep your body hydrated, drink good amount of water per day. Almost in every video we tell that a pregnant woman should drink at least 3 liters of water per day. Approximately 10 glassful of water per day you should be drinking to resolve many problems of the pregnancy. So if you are drinking a good amount of water, this problem of constipation, excessive formation of the spit or the watering coming from your mouth, or the change in your taste will be reduced highly. You can include good amount of fiber in your diet. For this, you should be including salads, you should be including pulses and sprouts in your diet. So these things will resolve the problem of constipation and the dehydration, which is resulting to so many problems during the 14th week of the pregnancy. In your diet, you must be including the seasonal fruits and vegetables. You should eat a balanced diet consisting of vegetable, fruits, pulses, dairy products like curd, milk, cheese. These all things should be included in your diet to make it a balanced diet. This ensures that you are getting the required nutrition for yourself as well as for the developing baby inside the womb. During this time, you can also feel the muscles pain because your skin is stretching. The stretching pain you can feel on your lower abdomen. So it will be good for you to understand that now you have to stand up or sit down very slowly. If you are changing your position, if you are getting up or sitting down or you're lying on the bed, you have to do it with a support. Do not do these motions suddenly because it will increase your pain in the lower part of your body. These pains are not elongated. They might be ending in 20 seconds. But if you completely want to avoid it, just make sure that you are not doing these actions suddenly. Similarly, during this time, the problem of stretch marks are there. So it is always better to apply olive oil and the coconut mixed oil. You can also add some sort of good moisturizer on the areas like on your stomach, on your thighs, on the legs, because these would be the areas that would be stretching more as the baby is growing. The fat accumulation is there, the stretching is there. So try to apply a mixture of olive oil, coconut oil and the moisturizer on the lower abdomen in the circular motion. Now this problem of stretch mark is a very common problem, and there are some creams that are available in the market, but they are very costly, and you have to apply these cream considerably on your skin. You have to use the large or a good quantity of it, and it will be very costly for you. Also, none of the technique or none of the cream or any tip is 100% workable. That is, the stretch marks will definitely come, but if you are taking care of it from the early start of the 14th week of the pregnancy, then the stretch marks intensity will not be that much high on you, and they will be in control and easier to cure. So start on these remedies as soon as possible when you reaches in your 14th week of the pregnancy. So friend, this was about the 14th week of the pregnancy, that is the start of the 4th month of the pregnancy. The next video we will cover about the 15th week of the pregnancy. If you like this video, kindly like it, share this video for a broader reach, and if you are landing our first time on our channel, kindly subscribe us and follow us. We will connect in another video on pregnancy. Till the time, stay happy, stay healthy.